Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to adjust the double tap seeking duration on YouTube for Android. YouTube provides features for quickly navigating videos on the platform. Double tapping anywhere on the video timeline advances forward or backward by a set number of seconds for easier access. The default seek duration is 10 seconds, but can be changed to suit different needs. We will walk through options for managing double tap seek timing on YouTube Android.
First, open the YouTube app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Look for Settings, and tap to access available options. Underneath, choose General to control default playback behavior and settings. Options for managing playback on the General page include a selection for Double Tap to Seek. Tap to adjust the time skipped when double tapping the video timeline. Choices include 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds, or off to disable the feature. Select the amount of time preferred for skipping forward or backward when double tapping a YouTube video. Consider how much of the video content you typically want to bypass at once when determining a seek duration. The ability to change settings remains for adjusting seek timing on an individual video basis if needed. After reviewing options, tap the desired seek duration to set as the default for all YouTube video playback on your device. Then tap Save at the bottom of the page to apply the setting. All YouTube videos played on your Android device will now skip forward or backward by the selected default duration when double tapped unless manually changed for a specific clip. The seek time can be adjusted as preferred in the future. Third-party YouTube apps, themes, or add-ons could potentially introduce security or privacy issues, rather than using the official YouTube app and its features. For managing playback controls, the YouTube app itself provides a simple solution. In summary, to adjust double tap seek duration on YouTube Android, open the YouTube app, tap the profile icon, select Settings, then General, choose double tap to seek, select a duration like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds. Tap the preferred option, review, and tap Save. YouTube will now skip that amount of time when double tapping the video timeline unless changed for a specific video. Let me know if customizing playback controls on YouTube Android requires any clarification. I can provide additional guidance on managing speed, quality, and other settings through available options. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via direct message with other questions. We are here to support streaming platforms, social media features, and more. Stay safe.